Salads can sometimes feel a little predictable. Is that fair? You've got your lettuce base, a few croutons, you've got a salad dressing, but a brand new Studio 5 series will help you make your salad stand out for the spring and summer seasons. We're stepping up the salad swag and calling on our foodie friends to share their common salad cures. Studio 5 food editor Maddy Tolman will kick it off with her favorite way to elevate a boring bowl of greens. There is one element to a salad that matters the most to you.
Yes, that's the dressing.
Amen.
Because you have so many elements, you got your veggies, but the dressing ties all those flavors together. And if it's off, it's gonna make your whole salad off. So we are starting today with the one dressing that every household, every restaurant has, and that's ranch.
Ranch.
So you buy your ranch at the store, or you make it homemade with the packet.
Maddie and I feel kind of strongly about the packet.
Yeah.
Once you've gone packet and you've mixed the buttermilk, you don't go back.
Yeah. Even if it's the Hidden Valley packet, it just steps it up a little bit.
Right.
So you've got your ranch. We are gonna talk about 3 ways you can just elevate, revamp your ranch.
Oh,
first,
any ranch.
Any ranch. We're gonna use about a ½ cup of ranch. Just add like a clove of garlic. What you're gonna do or notice is the freshness of that garlic clove just amps up every other flavor in your ranch.
Okay,
Start with 1 garlic clove. And taste test, dip a carrot in there, try it out, see what you think. You can go more, but it's really just gonna elevate the freshness.
I have never thought of
your
juicing
ranch.
up your ranch. Okay,
Right?
what's next?
Okay, next is, if you are going for, think of the flavors that you have in your salad. If you're going for like a Tex-Mex, kind of like a spicier, you're gonna add in some chipotle peppers.
Okay.
Start with just 1. And these are just jalapeno peppers that have been like canned in the adobe sauce.
Yeah.
You're gonna add that in. Just start with 1 pepper and then like 1 teaspoon of the sauce.
Okay.
Because it's spicy. You're gonna notice a kick there.
You're gonna feel it.
You're gonna mix that in.
Okay.
You're gonna notice a kick. Same thing, dip a carrot in there, test it out.
This is one
see
of
what
those
you
things
think.
that I've never even thought of, like dressing up the dressing.
It's swagging it up.
Yeah.
Okay, there's our spicy
Oh, I'm
ranch.
gonna like this next one.
Okay, this last one, this one is so good. Have you ever tried at Old Spaghetti Factory their pesto ranch?
Yes.
This gives the same vibe as that. Just pesto. Add in, start with a tablespoon.
So into this.
So into this.
Yes.
Mix it in there.
Okay, fantastic.
And you're gonna get like the most herby, like Italian flair to your ranch dressing.
Maddie, this is
Delicious.
so fun. 3 different ways to step up your ranch, and we will be sharing salad step-ups all this week. Glow-ups, if you will. Glow-ups on Studio 5 as we all sink into salad season together. Maddie, great start. Thank you so much.
Thank you.